Yes, this is a QR code, but don't worry, I am not asking for any type of payment. Actually, main purpose is that we can also create this QR code in our Python language. There is a QR code library by which you can also create your own QR code. First of all, you have to understand actually what is QR code. QR code is a quick response code. It is a two-dimensional barcode which can store your information like your websites, your contact details, etc. to transfer this information to other people. It is very fast and convenient, and since it is contactless, so it is more secure. By using QR code, we can store our important information, vital information, share to other people. In Python, you can also create your own QR code either for your websites, other links, text material, for contract address, and even for payment purpose or receiving the payment. Okay, how can you create QR code in Python? First of all, import the QR code library, pipe install QR. This will install QR code in your Python language. After that, you can create QR code by importing the QR code. In the data variable, you can give your information, any type of information. It may be your website address, maybe your contact details, payment details or receiving details, etc. Here I am storing my website address in the QR, and then I will transfer it to the other people. We run the code. After running this code, a QR code will be generated storing the address of your website, which can be digitally transferred to other person. Look at the output, look generated. Now I will scan this QR code. Then the information stored in this QR code will be displayed. I am scanning this QR code. Look at the screen. What the information stored here? It is the address of my website, vksecc.wordpress.com. Now we can open this link. You can see that my website is opened. In this way, I am sharing my information regarding my website in a digital, fast and digital form, that is QR code, quick response code. I hope you can also create your QR code for any purpose, and by using this code you store the information this digital form, and by using QR code you transfer your own information to other people. Okay, I think this information is sufficient to enable you to create your own QR code, quick response code. If the information is useful to you, please like and share among your friends, and have a request to please subscribe the channel. Okay, thank you.